Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who like you on Tinder without paying for gold on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, swipe carefully. When you swipe right on people you like, they swipe right on you too. It's a match. This way, you will discover mutual likes without seeing the full likes you greet. Then check suggested profiles on top pics. Tinder often shows people who are more likely to like you. Swiping on these profiles increase your chances of finding someone who already liked you. Keep your profile active and updated. Profiles with good photos and a bio get more likes. Be patient and consistent. It may take some swipings and time, but free users can still see who liked them indirectly by matching with them. Daily activity helps a lot, and that's it. Swiping carefully, use topics, keep your profile active, and be consistent. These tips will help you see who likes you on Tinder without needing gold all on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.